I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a demon. Alright, here we are, just arrived, just got my wristband. It's about 9 o'clock, Monday morning, early start today. It's up at half 4, I had to pack everything up last minute as always. Yeah, train up, then I've got a bus and walk here. So, this is my hiking stuff. I've got too much at the moment, I couldn't fit it all in one bag, so that's going to have to be sorted out by the time I leave, but that's not for another 10 days, so a couple of days of build and then the festival starts. Looking forward to it. All right. All set up, tent's ready. So this is our little camping area, right next to the glamping spot. I think it's just us camping here. We're right behind one of our bars, so that's going to be interesting. I don't know how late that's open till, but yeah, okay, right, all set up, time to do some work. Right, here's the container. Got a slight issue with the shutter. It's bent itself up, so we can't get it closed. But she's looking good. It's all been sprayed up. Getting the rest of the chassis on now. And they're going to strap the truck front to the front. Good times. Bar number 2. This is the artist bar. Not quite there yet. Yeah, still loads to do. Morning, afternoon, the gate's open in about an hour I think. So everybody's just putting finishing touches to everything really. This area doesn't open until Thursday, same as my trailer bar, so we've got an extra day. But yeah, it's going to cut it close as always, but yeah, the festival's starting soon. Alright, main stage. Massive. Apparently it's been right scaled back this year. Still looks like a beast to me. to look at. Awesome.
So this be our last show ever. It's a massive respect to everyone in the building, in the place. So come and see us and do this. It's a historic day. It's what we do, the gimmicks. I'll set this on your mind and take my time to do my business. Running a name for further names. I've been doing this shit since early days. Storming and singing for a range. Boomtown, raise to the sky.
To the sky and see the world is passing by. I'm a soldier of fire, I keep my head up high. I will always shine my light upon the truth and on the lies. I don't forsaken judgment on the ruling of my mind. I break away that chain from up my neck and realize that I gave away my freedoms for a culture I despise. I let them watch my brain and keep me going.
Saturday afternoon shift. Here we go. Take it from my bar. Day 2 of the break, showing you a little bit of devastation left behind by some of the punters. Second to last bar we're taking down. It's all good. First time I've been up here. Yeah. Sad now the festival's over. final bar. This was the artist bar. This is it, last bit of the break, and we are done. All right.